So the flowers have been setting with the chocolate dipped into the stem, and now these are good to get inserted into the cake. Okay, so I also have the cake here with me. So the stems are quite long. I'm just going to see where I'm just going to insert and then cut the stem a bit more, as much as I need, so I could just insert it into the cake without damaging like too much of the stem. Getting poked into the cake is like not very good. Okay, so that's the cake. I'm just going to keep the scissors handy. So I'm just going to check the flower. This one looks good with a like partially bloomed and a lot of petals are seen through. I'm just going to poke one in here. That's like too much of the stem. I'm just going to cut. Okay. I'm just going to place one here and then insert it. I'm going to use a tweezer like that and hold it and then push it through. Okay, so one is done. Let me pick up another flower. This looks good to go on the side. So this one looks like really nice with petals with like a lot of movements. I just want to place it here. So this one I'm just going to pass it straight through like that. So now I'm just picking this one to go here. And one more I'm just going to add a bit lower than that. Okay, so I'm just going to stop with these flowers. It will look very minimalistic and also not too much. You don't want like too much flowers there. So I just need some greens to break the monotony. So I'm just going to pick up one fern and then just insert into the cake. So like in here, and then check for the position from the front. I'm just going to add one more. Okay, so the greens are also added. I think this looks good. So that will be the front of the cake with like really simple few white roses together with some fresh ferns that we've made on this cake. So on this you just learned how to stack the cake. Basically that will be your first stacking lesson, and you just need to pay enough attention to doing the measurements of the dowels and cutting the dowels like properly, without even a difference, and then check it out with me. So after verification is when you're just going to continue to stack, and then the center devil and all that, you just follow the lesson. So we'll just make a beautiful naked wedding cake, which is just a simple one. We'll start with stacking 2 tiers first, and then we'll be doing quite a few in this course. So with this, we just come to the end of the first stacked cake lesson with a beautiful fresh flowers, and you will also be doing the same with my instructions on the group. So catch you in the next lesson.